So this UL we have added, one H1 we have added here. H1 we can keep inside a section tag. Section tag. H1 keep inside a section tag. And for section tag, give ID equal to banner. ID equal to banner. Here you can use the paragraph. You can add some more text. Okay, so hope we added the text. After that, we have to write the CSS for this banner. We need to set the background as the image, and then using CSS animation, we can change that image. On a certain set time interval, we can change the image. Okay, so come to the CSS portion in the top section. In the CSS portion, we will write here as banner. As banner, keep padding of the banner somewhere 100 pixel, height of banner 200 pixel, text align in banner center. After that, text align in banner will be center. After that, background of banner, background hyphen image colon URL 1.jpg. Next, after that, background hyphen size 100% from the top, like 100% height and 100% width. Background position anyway center is not required. Okay, center is not required. Okay, so now check once. Banner. Any photo is coming there? Photo is not there in current folder, right? In current folder, we have any photo? Background hyphen image. Photo we have in current folder. Yeah, photo is not there. So see here, we called a photo call one.jpg. So in your current folder, what you do, you keep some 3 or 4 photos. In current folder, keep 4 photos. Rename as a 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called your internal CSS. Under the internal CSS, under the internal CSS, under the internal CSS, under the internal CSS, you can keep some 4 photos and rename as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if you run it, you will see one photo should appear in banner of background. Suppose I kept here 4 photos, 5 photos I kept here. Photo is coming. Hope you kept photos in your current folder. If you reload the page, one photo should appear there. Got the photo? Yes, no should come in chat. You got any photo? right? So photo is coming, right? Photo and text. Now, according to photo, you can choose the color combination. Like suppose my photo is a little dark, I will choose here some green or red color combination so that it will be visible. So here only I can write a color colon orange color and font hyphen weight as bold. Okay, color as a orange and font weight as a bold. Color orange, font weight bold. So you can see here it's become little cross color, so visible now. Now what should happen next? This photo should change. This photo should change. Okay, the photo should change, right? So what we wrote today in the CSS, in CSS we wrote this much, and under the HTML we added one section tag with the ID binary, and inside we added this much so that the page is looking like this. Looking like this. Your navigation has no any problem. Everything is proper. Next task is to write the animation. For what purpose? The photo what we have added, photo should get changed automatically on a given set interval time. We will set some time, okay. After 10 seconds, the photo should change. After 15 seconds, the photo should change. After 5 seconds, the photo should change. That way, it will keep changing. Okay. Now, image is in the folder. What is the extension of the image? Extension of the image, what we have? What we have for the photo image. Already JPG extension. If you write again .jpg, what will happen? Becomes a double JPG. We are calling single JPG. That means extension is missing. It will not come. Okay. Now let's see. See animation. What you have in mind? You have anything related to animation in mind? Animation meaning is what? Welcome to this. Animation meaning is what? Animation meaning is on certain time interval, automatically something should keep happening. That is called what? Animation. Page will run automatically, blink will happen. That is called animation. Page will run after running the page. Once you leave that, automatically background color will keep changing. That is called animation. Okay. And background color will keep changing. That is called animation. And when it change, how long time it will take? That is called a transition. Color should change. but it should take 2 seconds to change. Okay, that is going to be what? Transition. Transition we'll see next. First, let's complete the animation. Okay, so what we'll do is go here before this banner, write one has has not has, it's called comment CSS animation. CSS animation. CSS animation. Now first write how to write animation. So we need to write the animation where it should start with at the rate. At the rate, not a screen. At the rate keyframes. It is a reserved keyword. Whenever you write the animation, before the animation, you have to use the at the rate keyframes. Now, after keyframes, you have to write the name of the animation. What should be the name of animation? Any name, ABC, XYZ, your wish, but meaningful. Okay. So I will write the name of the it's keyframe or frames. Frames, FRAMES. Okay. Next, after that, you will be writing the name of the animation. Example, my banner. Example, my banner. Okay. Right. My banner. Now come inside. My banner. Keyframes, my banner. Okay. So my banner become the name of the animation. My banner is the name of animation that we are given out. Now call this my banner with your CSS as a animation colon name of the animation. What is that? My banner. Okay. So my banner linking is happen with the CSS animation. Your banner got linked with the my banner using which property? Animation property. Next after that, after that, the animation will come. Animation will come. So this animation will be for how long? That we have to set here. Okay. So suppose we'll write here animation hyphen duration 10s 10 second. When the page will load, animation will get linked, and that animation will be for the only 10 second. After 10 second, it will get finished. Okay. Now in the 10 second, what you want to do, you have to write. So this is animation is where here. Now duration is how long? 10 second. So in this banner, animation will get apply. In that animation, whatever you want to do that. But whatever you are doing, it will be applicable for 10 seconds. Now in 10 seconds, what we want to do, we have to decide. Okay. 10 seconds, if you consider 100%, 10%, suppose 10%. If you consider 100% and divide into 4 parts, what will be the first part duration? 2.5 second. 2.5 second only, no? Right? So that only we are going to write. Suppose total 10 second is the duration. In 10 second, if you want to do some changes 4 times, so the 10 second you have to divide into 4 parts. Now the 10 second, if you write here, if we use here 10 second, maybe tomorrow user will change here 15 second. Maybe some developer will change 30 second. If he will change 30 second here, and here is a calculation of 10 second, then 20 second is no meaning at all. So instead of that, let the developer to change here whatever they want to change. Whatever he will change, it will consider for this as a 100%. It can be 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, 40 second, any second. That will consider how much? 100%. Now we are going to do the calculation of 100%. Okay, in 100%, how many times you want to do something, right? That you have to divide 100 divided by number of times. Okay, so suppose in 100% of the time, what is the total time? 10 seconds. In that, if 25% time will get finished, that is how much? 2.5 second? 2.5 second. In 10%, if the suppose 10% is 100%. 10% is the total. Right. So total we are considering how much? 100%. In 100%, suppose 25% time will get finished, then change the color to green color. Which color? The text color. Inside the banner, we have a text also. We have added here some text. This we have some text here. This color will change into a green color. Okay. Next, after that, once 50% time will get finished, then this color will change into red color. 175% time will get finished, then it will convert into pink color. And once it will reach 100%, automatically what will come? Any other color is there or not? There is another color. Or which one? Orange. So starting will happen from orange only. Once it is orange, then orange will be for how long? 2.5 seconds. After orange, which one will come? Green, up to 50 seconds. After 50 seconds, 50 to 75, who will be there? Red. Right? 75 to 100, who will be there? Pink. After pink, again, it will go to where? Orange. Right? So that meaning in total, 10 seconds, your color will change it 3 times. And one is the default one. That is called 4 times. Right? Save the file and check once. Save the file and refresh one. Refresh once. Color is changing or not.
Yes, sir.
Happening.
Yes.
But after 10 seconds, it will get a stop. It will happen only for 10 seconds.
After 10 seconds, it will come to its default color.
Default orange. And orange will become fixed. It will not change it. Okay. Hope happening. Next. So what we wrote? We wrote the animation, we linked the animation. In animation, whatever we wanted, we did that. Now in case if you want to repeat the same task, animation, once the page has loaded, it has called, it's got apply. Now we want to call that animation 10 times. Each time it will call and it will take 10 seconds. Suppose if we say animation duration 10 seconds, then animation iteration, how many times? 10 times. So once the page will load, it will call one time. It will be for the 10 seconds. Again after that, again it will call. That also will be for 10 seconds. Again after that it will call. So it will call total how many times? 10 times. After 100 seconds, again it will get a stop. We have one more solution. Animation iteration count infinite. Infinite means let keep changing lifetime. Once user will open the page and leave the page, it will keep changing till the page is open. It will never going to stop. That is called animation duration, animation iteration count. Right here, animation iteration, animation hyphen iteration hyphen count. Animation iteration count infinite. Animation iteration iteration count infinite. Spelling you can check. Animation iteration count is infinite. Animation iteration count is infinite. Working? Out of 10, 11, only 3 people are active. Reply should come, yes, working, not working. It will be helpful. When the problem comes, we need to okay. Okay, one very small person, not very small person, very experienced person. Sometime during discussion, he called me and he asked like, whenever any problem happen, we should discuss with each other. If problem come in front of you, if you talk, then only solution will come out. Like suppose between two person there is a matter of something. If one person is calling, another person is not picking the call, the problem will get increased again. Increase or not? If both persons sit one place and discuss, the problem will get reduced or any solution will come out from there. Okay. So when problem comes, don't keep quiet. Let me know. Multiple source we have, multiple way we have to help you out. I can connect your computer also, will fix the problem. I'll take your file, will fix the problem. I'll share the code, will fix the problem multiple ways. Okay, hope working good. Let's go ahead. Now next target is this photo. Photo should get changed. Okay, so how to change the photo? Go under the banner and add this line again and again everywhere and change the photo name. It will become 2.jpg. Here it will become 3.jpg, 3.jpg, and here it will become 4.jpg. Now this many photo must be there in your system in the particular folder. Photo will change, color will change, everything will change. Save now, check once. Color it was not changing. Where is written? Where is the paragraph? Paragraph is inside the section tab. Now what is the keyframes by banner? Now what is that? COLOR, COLOR grade, COLOR red, COLOR yellow. Then background something. Now come to the folder COLOR. Title what is written? Finding something, color as a green. This is wrong. Nothing bracket will not close. So this title.
that is okay. Current bracket will be good. Lower bracket for that. CSS that only comes. I think changing photos. Photo will be there in the folder, then it will change your.
If the photo will be in the folder, it will change. And it will not change. It will keep changing always. Till the file is open, the photo will keep changing. Till the file is open, the photo will keep changing. Okay, next go ahead after this. After this, the text related, okay, text related. Inside you have some text. Let me change your font size also. Font size. Font hyphen size. Size. Font hyphen size. Suppose when it will come, the font size will come very small, 20 pixel. Next, after that, font size will become 40 pixel. Next font size will become 80 pixel. 80 will be too high. 60 you keep. Okay, so it will look like the font size is increasing, decreasing, zoom in, zoom out is happening. Zoom in, zoom out is happening. Hmm? Out. Because we have in paragraph more content we have. In paragraph we have more content. In paragraph we have more content, so might be it will go out. Also, oi. Wait. No, we have option. It is going out. Why? Because there is a gap from top. You see that? Gap is from the top. So when the font is increasing, the padding top should get reduced. The font is increased, padding top should get reduced. Then it will be inside the, okay, else definitely it will go out only. Now let me go here, do some RMA. So till here we understood. If you add any extra code, hope you will not be confused. See, font size 20 is okay. 40 is also fitting properly. Up to font size 40, it's fit properly. This is the 40 is fit properly. As soon as become a 60, it's went outside. Or 40 is a problem. 20, 40, right? So here, at this place, but padding, how can I reduce here? Padding are given for title as well. See, for title also we given the padding, padding top 100, make 0.
Make 0 means it will go outside, sir.
It will go up, no problem. Let it go. Padding top how much? Padding top, keep 0, see where it is going.
But if you open up,
No, technology will come like that only because it is fixed.
because of that, we have changed the padding.
Which one we have changed padding? No, navigation is the top, it's a fixed navigation. So it will look like this. It will always come above the banner. It will not come below the banner. Any website go and say when you move the mouse, the navigation will go below the banner. If it will go below banner, how the people will click here? If you move the mouse here, this will not come up. Then how the people will click? This is not always open. No, this will open periodically, time to time. It will not open every time. Hmm? Because font size is more, text is more. You can reduce that. Reduce that. There is no problem at all. 20, 30, 40. 20, 30, 40. This much you can take. 20, 30, 40. That is also looking more. You can reduce the content. Reduce content will fit properly. So in website, when you see the banner, inside the banner, there will not be entire introduction. There will be 1 line, 2 line contents only. Okay. So animation is what? Animation is nothing but on certain time interval. If you want to do something changes continuously, we can use call animation. Okay. So how to write animation? Using @keyframes. @keyframes, keyframe name, right? And in that we can add our own the percentage, how many time you want to change, what you want to change, everything. Till where it is going. Okay, be control till there only. Okay. So this is able to manage. If still moving out, the banner height, how much you are given? 200. Keep 250. It will accommodate in between. 250 we can add. 15, 20, 25. That is also okay. It will fit inside. Now I have given little bigger height. So if you go big size also, it will inside only. Okay, so it's able to manage. Now that is done. Now come down banner part. After this animation, after banner, we need to have text, content, and other things. So come there. After the banner section, you can add one more section. Now, what you are using, for what purpose you are using the section tag? Section tag we are using to create the rows. First row is the banner, second row container, third row info, fourth row something, right? So this way we can use the which tag? Section tag. Section tag used to divide the page vertically. Vertically in the sense what? Top to bottom. Like suppose in one page, we are going to use the same now. In one page we have the home also, about also, services also, multiple options we have. Then what will happen is, in one page we can add multiple section, one section, one details, another section, another details. Okay, so it is here. Now, okay, so first come to your HREF we have not used, right? Yeah, that we have made one small mistake. Okay, so we can try in the next example maybe. Now come inside, right here call ID as a container. ID container and create one more section called footer in the last. Okay, help desk. Now under this container, we can add again H1. Something you can add. Welcome back. Keep paragraph. We can add some text for that. Okay, done. Go ahead then. CSS you can write for container and we can write some CSS for footer as well. Container and footer both are coming up. Let's come up, write some CSS for container and footer. Add here has container. Has container. Under this container, width 80%, margin auto. Width 80%, margin auto. Width 80%, margin auto. Mean height 400 pixel. Right for footer. ठीक है अफजल, पीजी ले लिए? किधर लिए? ये शशांक के साथ? ठीक है, ठीक है, कर मिलते हैं। padding 30 pixel, background green color, text align center, center, color as white. Okay, then padding 30 px, background as a green, text align center, color as a white. Padding 30 px is okay. Now write border hyphen top from top side 40 px, 40 px solid orange color. Border top 40 px solid which color? Orange color. Check now. Footer comes something like this. Okay, footer height is less and border is more. Okay, so what we can do? Height we have not given. Border top give 10 pixel more, 10 pixel. Height you can add here. Height 100 pixel. Height 100 pixel. In body tag, you have written mean height 2000 pixel. You need to remove now. In body tag, you have written mean height 2000 pixel. That you can remove now. Okay. In body, how much was the mean height? 2000. If you remove that, footer will come in the last. Mean height removed from here. Footer will come in the last automatically. From body tag, mean height 2000 pixel was there. Remove that. Footer will come in the last. Okay, something like this. This text you can keep in center will be helpful. The text is coming. The text you can keep in center. Which text? Welcome back is coming. You can place in text center. Welcome back is coming. That we can place in center. So for that, what to do? It is not necessary all the text should be in the center. We can write a class and we can call that class. Okay, so come to the file, write a class called text center. Text center, inside write text hyphen align colon center. In current page, we want to display 10 places something in the center. So what we'll do, everywhere we have to write. So for that, we have a solution, write a class, use anywhere, wherever you want. We can write a class like this also, dot red, color as a red. We can write a class, dot green, color as a green. Now sometime color as a red. Now you want the text should be in the center and it should be green. So how many classes will call? Two classes. Sometime we want the text should be in the left and color should be red. We will call two classes. I will guide how to call two classes. Okay, now let's come and see. Suppose so written how many classes? Text center red and green. Now suppose if I come down and the welcome we want to display in the center. So we can write a class text center and we want to display in text center and we want to display in red color. So we can call two classes, text center to bring in the center and red for what? To apply the red. Similarly, somewhere you want to display in the left green color. So just apply the, so here concept is multiple classes you can call separated by a space. Okay, using a space we can call Okay, ready? Now check it is coming in which color? Red and in center. Now for one paragraph, we want to display in green color. So we can call the class green, and another paragraph also we want to display in red color. We can call the class called red. Look ready? It's coming in red and green color. Okay, so in this file, we understood how to create the media query, not media query. That is called navigation, fixed navigation, menu, submenu, and apart from that, the animation. Next example will create single pager application. Single pager application, what is that? Suppose if I click on this link, it should go to the next page. But single pager application, you may have seen on internet, when you click on home, the top person will come. When you click on about us, same page will get a scroll up. When you click on technology, the same page will get a scroll up. Like the content will be in the same page. Okay, and according to click, it will scroll up, down, up, down. Okay, that is called single page application. All the content will be in one page only. When we click on the link here, the page slides slowly, smoothly, it will scroll up. Okay, that is called scroll behavior smooth. When we click somewhere, we will give the link of the current page only. And if that particular section is in the bottom, that section will scroll up smoothly. Okay, if you click another link, that section is up, that automatically page will smoothly scroll down. It's called single page application. That is a tomorrow task. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do again. Today I have gone somewhere. Some hospital work was there. There only got late 2 hours nearly. Then next batch postponed for 1 hour late, 1.5 hour. Yours also postponed for 1.5 hour late. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Yes. Entire code will not come in chat. I have to post 4 or 5 times. Be there, I will post. That way you should not ask, no, post entire code in chat. See this, how long code is there? It will take, huh? And after that, so that work I'm doing last 15 years. Control A, Control V, Control C, Control Y. I have 250, 40 nearly combination of shortcut combination. But question is here in this chat box, limited text will go. So I have to copy and paste 10 times, piece by piece. Okay. Okay, you know, Control A, Control C. Apart from that, suppose if the line is 10,000 line, okay, as you a lot of new lesson today. Suppose if the line is 10,000 line, what will happen? 10,000 line. Okay. Suppose in one web page there is one 10,000 line is there. You want to select all. You will click on the top, start scrolling down, or Control A, Control C. Everything will get copied. We want certain middle section only copy from top to bottom. What to do? Half an hour it will take, no? Half an hour it will take or not? Somewhere you will lose the patience, you will mouse will click somewhere else will happen. See, I will show you. Okay, what to do? See, very clean and shortcut way. Suppose I want to copy from here to till here. Okay. So first you can copy one line of code also. One line of 1 lakh line you can select. First click where you want to start. Suppose I want to copy from here. I click here. Okay. I will not click anywhere. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We want to copy till line number 117. So where I have clicked, I have clicked in the beginning. After that, I have not clicked anywhere. That meaning my cursor is where? Let me show you. My cursor is, where are you cursor? It is here. Okay. I will not click anywhere. I will scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay. In your computer, there is a shift key. Shift. First press the shift. After do the click. Where your mouse is there, till there it will get selected. Okay, see again here. Because of your question, you got one answer. Okay, see here. I want to copy from here to here. Why we do drag and drop like this? Here, don't do like that. Okay, click here. Okay, after that, come down. Suppose I want to copy entirely. So first I will click here. After that, I will not click anywhere. Okay, directly I will press the shift. And till where you want to select, just go there and click. That's all. It is applicable everywhere, in the web page also, everywhere. Okay. And after that, as our formula, Control C, Control V, Control Y, whichever we know, Control X. Okay. So this is there or not? Okay. So with that, someone have asked the file. No, you want to send in the chat, or shall I share the file completely? Sri Devi Manjunathan. She log out. Okay, thank you.